Okay, test. Are we good? Hello. Setting up at 1. Okay, good. Not too late this time. Right on time. New high of the month, of the year, of everything. Check the 4 hour here. There's a nice 4 hour here too. I really hate playing all-time highs. Only when it makes sense. Like, there's some freebies, but let's see if this wants to continue up and this is just more retrace, or we actually get a nice reverse back down. Because even yesterday we were longing. That long would have worked out nicely. Give some more space. Looks like NQ's coming down lower. Refresh this. I'm not opposed to trying long this again. It's just I want to maintain long buys until we actually get a nice closure. Whereas they turn up volume. I got you guys. Oh, there it is. Okay, volume is down. Okay, let's take a look how we're working with here. Whoa, what was that spike? I thought my computer just froze. Let me just set up my accounts real quick. But it looked like my computer just froze for that move. All right. Okay. Can get everything set up for us to begin trading and making some money today. All right, good to go. $40. All right. Okay. So, yeah, again, I'm not really opposed to longs here. I think higher time frame, want to lean with it until we get a nice closure. We just kind of retracing the 4 hour. I can see it's coming right back up. How's everyone doing today? Let's go chat. What's your bias? I want to stay upside. Do you guys think this is more bullish or bearish for the next 2 hours here? Or are you more neutral? Bearish. You guys are a lot of you guys are bearish already. I mean, I can for sure see it though, because we already took all-time highs, and then we took like psychological levels, like 4,500. It's pretty nice, but oh, I gotta get my Lucid up. Speaking of Lucid, that spike is so odd here. What's the play here? It's been making like lower highs every attempt. Sorry, it's making lower highs and lower lows every attempt here. Looks like 64, 61. Is this low? Yeah, no, that's like the 4-hour gap fill. I can for sure see that too. That's like where we have the next big gap here. Which I think NQ is already entering. Yeah, NQ is a little bit much more weak. What is the deal? Is it one of the techs? Oh, it might be Nvidia, huh? Oh, speaking of stocks, guys, I don't know if you guys remember, my Robinhood was getting cooked, so I just I added another one. This is the only on Kava. Insane, freaking Kava, bro. Kava, I don't know if you guys saw, but we had the original entry at like 80s or something, so I added some more. I took some off, but like, look at this. This was like yesterday, $84. And then earnings happened last night, or like, you know, after hours yesterday. It just dumped 24%. So I was like, okay, I'm going to pick some up at 65, 64s, 63s. And now we got a nice bounce back up. So I'm back to the original position, which was like 25, 30,000. But god damn, I was kind of playing this as a meme type of thing. Let me see what else we got. I was kind of playing this like a meme, like, okay, we're going to do like 30,000 on a lot of these tickers. So let's just see the other tickers while we are looking. I didn't think shares moved that much, but like earnings report where it dumps 25%. That was like I was down 5K at one point. DraftKings, this makes sense. Uber's up, nice, okay. Chipotle, oh, Chipotle's green, 500. That's like, what is that? 50 burritos? Rocket Lab. Oh, someone said Rocket Lab. Was that Slade or someone else said it? I only bought the low amount. 14,000 down to 700 already. Golly. Whoever said buy Kava and not UNH was dumb. Is UNH is the one that, yeah. How's that doing right now? I should have bought, probably went for UNH. That feels good. Who did you buy Kava? I feel like it was me. I was like, I'm gonna buy it for Lanto. I don't think it was anyone's decision but mine on that one. This is funny. But damn, like how do I expect it's good. A stock's gonna that we're gonna hold for like, you know, not that long, like a week, 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, to be down 25% like that. I was like, I was not trying to lose 5-10K off of a trade. I had 30K in, so that was like, I think maybe 8K, 7K peak then. Yeah, somewhere around there. Because it was down like 27, 26%. And I'm letting the chat choose the tickers that I have to buy. Essentially, that's the game plan here. You guys need to make sure you guys come correct and give me better tickers. All right, what do we want to do? Do we want to play shorts? Do we play shorts here? It's like a pretty odd spike there. It was a random spike too. I feel like 30-point spike, 20-point spike. I think I would like shorts on ES, or no, and key over ES, just because it's a little weaker. Let's see if we can tag in some shorts. Trade copy release. Yeah, about that. I'll talk about that in a little second here. Yeah, one more pullback. I think I'm gonna try to play the next retap here. If I do it, I want to just keep that stop, that wick. If it goes back to the wick, I feel like I was gonna go past it. I might tap some in. Yeah, I'll try some. I think a lot of you guys are liking shorts too. Danzy said he's in short too already. I don't know what his entry is, but I don't mind playing something like this. I would definitely want to add in, size in, if we can get a flip though. Rather. All right. I think we do a starter here though. This is a big stop, but I feel like if we get a closure above here, probably won't like the trade anymore, because I feel like if we do that, we'll like push higher. So I'm gonna tag one in, and then we're gonna try to scale inside this trade if it turns. So the idea is if we can get a move back down, I'll look to add in to break these lows. So one in right now, something to start up. And then where do we look for to adds here? We could actually look for this on the 30-second too in this closure. Good start so far. Not bad indeed. I just have at 10 right now, 1 at 10. I'm gonna do a hard stop right at 22s. That's not hard stop actually. Yeah, let's just do it like a little bit above. I'm looking for closure. If we can get closure above like 16, 17, I'll just get rid of the trade manually. I think that's how I want to play this. No ads yet. I do think we can break these lows here. One mini or micros. I don't think I ever use micros. Micros only if like if we have like CPI and it's like moving like 200 points range really quickly, then I'll be like, okay, let's just do some micros. Only one contract in. My average size lately has been 2 to 3. We're gonna wait for another ad because unless it's like a unicorn where I can do a nice controlled risk. We're nearly back at entry. Oh, came back down. Okay. put this aside. Let's keep on looking. If this trade start turning to where I want it, I think that'll be the perfect idea to add into it. But right now, just dancing. I think I'm in a good spot to just have one in. ES is starting to try to see if it breaks the low. Looks like ES is already trying to move lower. And yeah, I think one of my targets was this break of these lows. We'll actually get inside this 4 hour. So it makes a lot of sense. Just try to drive it a little bit lower. Okay, let's see if we can get ads though. I only have one in right now. I'm gonna try to see if we can add to this trade. Do we want to add here? No, we didn't get closure yet, did we? That wick. I want to see most likely this gap here. It's 2 30-second gaps. I'll just kind of do the bottom one. If we can get closure under, then maybe we'll try to see if we can play one more. We're only up like 9 on that one. Now we're like near even. I'm going to try to play for the fence here. Still in a good spot. What's your higher time frame narrative for the shorts? The higher time frame is all-time highs. We're very bullish. What I'm looking for is the hourly here. The hourly. See if we can take out some of these liquidity targets. It's been moving kind of aggressively lower since then. We're at entry again. Okay. Got some wiggle room on this. I'm gonna just keep on doing like about 10 to 12 point stop. This one's like more a little bit loose, but I have a hard stop set. My TP target for a range like this is going to be like more aggressive. Watching how we react in this area. It's been holding. Okay, we're moving. It's pushing to 924. Let's see. This is gonna be very key here. If we want to get closure above, I wouldn't like that. Still have this one in. No ads yet. Just one entry in. Hope it doesn't wick it. That's like part of me thinks it can do that because this is a pretty crucial area. It's holding very well. I thought NQ was more weak, but it's like doing pretty well right now. Like you had ES make it pretty good low. NQ held this. So I might get tagged out here. Especially if this closes, it's definitely a tag out. Yep. Alright, let's just get down. Let's get this out here. Just close it for probably what, 12 points. Before I hit my stop, just because that's a no-go for me now. Well, first one. Well, that's only one mini there. Let's see what we can do. Good thing I didn't size into it because we didn't had no confirmation really to size in this. If we did, then I was open to adding to it. extended stop loss. No, I don't like doing that because I like to play precision. So if it's already going against where I think it should be going, then I should be wrong about it. And if you do that, if you keep on extending your stop, it's going to make the trade even more and more difficult for you to get. Good push. See, like, that's why I closed it right there. Once we close above this area, close at 22. If you did like stop this high, you just ate another 8 points. It's not worth it for me, personally. Do you guys still like shorts, or are you guys looking for longs now too? Pretty aggressive move. Yeah, I think Desi. Someone said Desi was looking for shorts too, right? Did he play it already too? What are these turns now, guys? Nope, still holding, still holding. Gotta wait for this. For those who are bullish, what are you guys looking at right now? So we should mark this out, right? Probably this buy side target, 958s. Something I would look at for actually a move higher is if we can get a closure above. This is kind of the protocol for me. Get a closure above this 930s in the 15-minute closure. That would be the first step into focus on upside. Stalling out here. We have like 6 minutes left. We took the PM high. ES took the low of it. So let's see how we really hold around there. Just the 5-minute gap too. Mark out. It's already filled, but a good closure is also something that helps to see the story here. It's holding. That 15-minute high. 5 more minutes, and then I think we can actually hold it very well. Okay, if this doesn't get a closure above the next 5-minute candle, which would also be the 15-minute candle close, we need to see somewhat like above minimum 930s if we want to play upside. That's how I'm viewing it. What's the reason for short? I mean, I think that's more preemptive. I think even me asking chat like without like giving my input, I felt like we could go for these lows first, and we got nice closure through this, and we had more conviction follow through. So like I feel like that was the draw to me. And then it was not bullish for me yet. Something bullish that I would play would be, of course, like if we can get a nice closure above the down close candles. So like now, if we can get a closure here, then I'll be interested in longs. But like if you're trying to play in the lower time frame, like it was hard to tell that this was bullish until we actually got this closure here, which is like where we got stopped out. So that prevented me from getting more of a stop. This is all I need to see. Once we did that, I was like, okay, this is not short. This is not bearish anymore. So it's more of a clean, just one tap out rather than getting a full large stop because we were wrong on the trade, which I like more. I think that short was still good though. It was already looking good. The only way, like we had to try with a 10 point, because if this did work, we would break this low. That'd be 30 points already, and then I would target for the low of the session here, and then follow through. So I think it was worth it. Hindsight could be different though, but me looking at it, it was a pretty good risk reward. 2 more minutes, and I might actually be looking for longs. So what? So longs most likely on the first tap back down here. It's gonna be probably like, maybe we can get 930, low 930s or 920s, high 920s, and then I'll try to put our stop back to where we were originally. And the worst case is if it chops us, goes back and forth in range. Okay, yeah, we're looking pretty good here for upside. We're holding the right areas. Any retrace, I'm open to playing it. Just gonna be looking at this area here. Instead of 930s would be start 931s. Be the start here. Don't push to these highs yet. Let me see if we can take a long entry before it taps it. Be good. Let's say we just get a quick sweep and then move back up. That's a pretty good one here. And if we do this, perhaps for this is already good enough. Kind of something like this. I like that it's holding here. So yeah, it's 5 minute gap. This is going to be where we're looking for entry. Only thing we need now is just a little bit more of a deeper retracement. I'm gonna mention this in the Discord. I'm gonna look for a low timer flip here. So this is the area that I want for longs. Now we just need to see if we can get it. I'll tag in 1 for now. I'm gonna do 1 here at 28s here. Just because I think I like the area and the stop is decent enough. But the ads are where I'm focusing at right now. If we can get a low timer flip, this is where it's important to add. So let's say we have this gap. If we can get like this inversion, get this close back up, then we'll be trying to scale this trade. I'm only looking to do 1 just for a starter's sake. Just at 28, it's just like more of a, it's kind of like a soup, I guess. But I think this is longs here, and if we're looking at this, we don't want to see this under like 9/10s. Let me show this. If it gets under 9/10, that's gonna be disgusting. That could be another start out. I haven't got a full size trade that I like yet with conviction. Looking at, I'm gonna just put at 9/10s, just kill everything. We had that closure and we had liquidity, so I feel good about this. Of course, if this 5 minute flips, I would not feel too good about this, but this is a good closure here. So this retrace should be a buy to me. It doesn't look that good right now because it's moving lower, but we're gonna try to be patient, see if we can hold this area. Yeah, okay, I'll do this. I would usually wait for the flip, but like I feel like sometimes we don't get that confirmation. So maybe I'm like being too preemptive, but let's see. Yeah, we got no flip on this. Jeez. Did we just freaking get caught on both sides? We played shorts too early, and then now we're playing longs while it's turning. That was messy there. 5 minute closes in 1 minute. This is probably doomed already. I gotta get this out and close it out. Oh boy, that was messy. What the heck? We didn't get a low time for flip. I should have stuck to my plan. I was like, I think I was trying to really see if I can play it. Because we typically don't get retracement as much anymore. I usually miss the trade if I feel like this is a good area for longs. I tap one in early, but usually, let's say we do move lower, like this, I would wait for that flip first and kind of buy in the right side up rather than the downside. But that was tough. What the hell? That was interesting. What the heck was that? I'm pretty sure a lot of people were looking at upside too, and I did not expect this. Just laying down like this. That was tough. I think we're good. I'm only doing 1 contract, by the way, so we're not too messed up right now. We're not really full size. But yeah, I mean, 2 losses does suck. I feel like this was a price action that should have got me both ways like this. I'm gonna try to keep it going with just one contract until we see confirmation, see some more conviction, and then we'll try to add through it. But I would argue, I know you guys are saying like this is not good. The way that I'm seeing it, like we're risking a controlled risk, and then if we get the right direction, we're gonna look to add and scale into it. Do you guys still like longs here, or are you guys neutral? What's the deal here? Because I felt like I had things going here where like this should get that closure. We should look for longs, and this would have just ripped back up and play for these highs, and then maybe we'll even go back into this like 990s area. I feel like that felt really good, and that does feel really good. But yeah, let me know in chat what you guys think. Because that was freaking disgusting. It just slammed down like that. I'm gonna be on the right side at one point though. I haven't got that. Like I can't tell if this is a short now. Like I feel like it should be, because we invalidate where I was looking for longs. So by default, like we should probably be looking for shorts now. What do you guys think? Let me see. Short. I like longs. Type bullish or bearish or just neutral right now, chat. And let's see the bias. I'm leaning shorts for sure now. But do let me know, because then we can get your answer. Let's see who's going to be more leaning right, who's going to be more leaning wrong based on the price action. You guys more bearish. I like shorts right now too. I need to see a better retrace though. It has to. I'm not trying to short these lows here. I'm looking for these gaps to get filled first. Doesn't that look much better if we can fill some of these gaps? Getting like a push back up before we play the downside. That's right, we have PPI tomorrow. I mean, I don't think PPI should be that much of a concern, to be honest. It's not too crazy with CPI already releasing the report. This feels like a quick turn back up and move lower. I don't know where though. It could be like 920s. It could be even higher. Where would you guys want to play this short here? For like 70% of people who said lower. Let's see if we can turn this green. I'm not trying to force it, but I'm just gonna see if the price action aligns with what I want to play. I think ideally 923 is right. Just like something above here be perfect. If we can just scoot our way up. Let's just use this as a baseline here. We'll just use the PM session. Like, yeah, anything above like 922s would be pretty good, I feel like. Don't turn yet. Did you guys get in shorts already? I want a better. It went to 16s. I was like just a little bit more would have been good. Don't turn yet. ES looks good for shorts. I'm not too sure yet. Let me see. Well, we're in this together. We're gonna try to figure this out. I don't think shorts under this is dangerous. I feel like shorts kind of in this area way too risky for me. It got to be like kind of like 918, 920s and above. So we're looking for this area here. And then we're going to try to see if we can set up because if you short here, you're shorting the lows, which I don't think is the right move. And ES actually could follow suit back up too. ES is starting to bring equal lows, by the way, too. So maybe we trade on ES, guys. Let's see what it looks like. Where's the gap? Like 72s, 72s. Can ES go to 72s? Let's say something like this, and then we're bare minimum. We're going for these lows, and we'll see if we can smash them. This is just the idea right now. You could do the starter give you want, but I'm probably focusing on ads when we get a flip like we plan. I want to see if we can get a trend move though. So we have the 5 minute now. This is it. Now we're just gonna wait to see if we can get an entry. I framed it up, so I just want to showcase, like, you know, everyone who's saying shorts. I like shorts too. I'm not gonna short these lows. I'm gonna wait to see if we can get back in the area of interest that I want to see before we even play the short. So this is where I want to play it. If it comes, it comes. If it doesn't, well, then we're gonna get nothing. That's the idea right now. And these lows are looking really good here. I think this long move just really confused me. That messed up the short play, and it also made me flip my bias because we had this closure. That really messed up my whole calibration there. But I think we have the right approach now. We took the kind of a few turtles here and invalidated a bullish PD rate. I think it's good. It's gonna be set for lower now. That's gonna be my take. If you guys don't think so, then it's okay. But I like lower now. If we can get it. I'm gonna type in the Discord here. This is also up to you guys. If you guys don't think this is like the right play, just don't really take it. Can we not spam the chat? Mods, if there's any spam, please just mute them. I don't want to read through a lot of spam. Price would not reach there. If it doesn't reach, I'm gonna sit on my hands and wait for the next one. This to me, I think, is the right play because more time frame alignment. But I feel like, guys, you guys gotta take a step back. I think there's a lot of hindsight talk in the chat right now. It's like, why'd you long here? This is clearly bullish or bearish. And then why'd you short here? This is clearly bearish. And it's like, do you not see we're kind of just smashing both ranging right now? I'm gonna have to adapt to what I see. You just gotta put your money where the mouth is, guys. If you guys feel like this is like No, this is clear long, then just buy it. I don't think this is a long yet, because if it was a long, it should have worked here, I feel like. But could be wrong. I think where I would stop out off this trade, let's say you take on NQ or even ES, just like anywhere above this previous area, because this could be used as manipulation, let's say. So I don't want anything above 75s, and I don't want anything above 935s. All right, if we retrace, I'm gonna try to take it. I think I liked it enough already. It got that was not a clean retrace. It was so tight. Needed one more spike. It's gonna be disappointing if we don't get this retrace. We're just waiting. At least I'm being more patient this time. The last one, I don't know. Last one, the long, right? We took the long. It felt really good for longs, but in the alert I did for the long setup, I'm just gonna pull it back up. I said to wait for a low time flip. I just want to do a starter just because like this whole day feels like, not whole day, but this whole week feels like we don't get retracement. So this was the plan. Like long, if we get a low time flip in the 5-minute gap. There was no flip. This is like a complete sell off. So based off my protocols, I should have just let this sell off and just invalidated the idea. That would have protected me. But I guess in this one, I'm trying to be patient on this one and just let it come to me, which I like a lot more, a lot more. It'll be the same plan. If you guys don't want to get the entry ASAP, then you wait for the flip. But I think this is pretty good risk reward wise too. Should let this play. This is the idea right now. And then relative equal lows here will be the first target, of course. So we're looking at 72s. The ads could really be all the in here. This is the BPR. So if you want to be even more safe, if it does come to 73s, I don't want any price action above 77. So that's my hard limit in that area there. Need to see ES come a little bit higher there, which I think we will. All right, I'm gonna tag in here. Tag in one, but the focus is ads. If we can get inside, this is the bare minimum entry. If you want entries, let me see, where's a circle, bud? I'm looking for, my focus is bare minimum here. Where the hell did I put it? I don't know. I was gonna say this is the focus here. That BPR. I'm gonna look for shorts on that BPR. Gonna try to see if we can get like 73 average, and then stop at 77. 4-point stop basically. I'm gonna let this play down. And if this, I guess if this hits, if this doesn't hit, that'd be me batting out quite a bit today, wouldn't it? I think it would. I'll put it right here. 73 average is perfect with me. I'm gonna alert this. All right, yeah, that's the game plan right now. Short at this BPR, stop if we get a closure above or anywhere above 77. That's my hard stop. I feel much better on this setup than the previous two, so if that helps in any way, then yeah. Let me know what you guys think while we're sitting here, because some of you guys are a little bit high. Tell me if this is a good or bad setup, or if you would not take this. I don't know what it is, whatever it is. I'm looking at 73s. Yeah, because it's only bad if it fails, which is so weird. I'll take the entry, but just a tiny bit higher. Yeah, that's the idea. That's why I'm gonna try to scale in here. The trade really fails if we just get like closure outside of this, but I'm gonna move it at 73s here. This is where we're gonna. 72s is where we can start looking at it. 73s is where I want to get it at. So I have that average in. I'm gonna look to scale into this. It's 4-point stop on ES, so I could do a little bit more sizing. I have one in here. Let's see if we can get. If we can go back to the 1 minute real quick. I think I could full size off this and feel fine with it. Gonna give some more time though. I want to get at least 3 contracts on this. If I feel like this is convicted and we come lower, I'm gonna try to scale in and play with these lows. So 3 or 4. Yes, is tighter risk too, because if I did 3, that'd be 600. That's max size though. But if it's like, let's say 1, it'd be just 200 with a 4-point stop. Let me see chat. So this is a very bad, terrible, super bad. Okay, well, let's see. It's a B setup. I think that's where I'm standing too. I think it's a good B setup, which is good in this price action. But I think a lot of people in chat are saying wrong. If you, I guess like, is it wrong enough where you would actually long this area? Like, would half the chat who's saying this bad, would you guys just long something like this? And go for the highs? Is that the better setup than the short? I don't think it is. I just can't see it. We manipulate these highs already. We have a nice BPR. We're holding this area, and we have relatively equal lows. It's gonna be such a very, very sloppy day if this fails. I'm gonna be real. I deserve to be red. This is holding pretty decent though. Just stuck at the entry here. Give it some room and then let this play. Oh, speaking of funding next, we got the data. We got everything we need. I think we're gonna be processing everything. It's gonna be so many commission. It's probably gonna be like, I don't know, like 100,000, or not 100,000. This is way too high. Like 500 users is reward syncing, and each of those users are expecting cash back on it. So I don't know how much it will be, but we have like thousands of orders to process. And we're gonna try to do that the next 2 days. I'll put my horse stop in. I only have one so far. I'm looking for a reason to add in if we can turn. I really want to see if this plays out so I can full size into this and play for these lows, but I'm willing to just, again, eat one contract because what I've been doing these last few weeks has been sizing up. Maybe it's a bad call. But I still like the setup a lot. Wow, we are gonna get cooked here. How is this not a really good setup? I'm like so baffled on this. We're gonna get this closure too in 2 minutes. I'm just one in, but disgusting. Really disgusting here. Still have some wiggle room, but let me look at charts again. Wow, what the heck? NQ just spiked. This is too tight on this. I'm looking at 77 stop right now. Or if they get closure. Closure on the 5 minute would just be bad too. Why is NQ holding so well right now? Some people were looking at shorts down here too, so I was like, I'm gonna wait. I know you guys are bearish, but I'm gonna wait for a retracement. I've got the retracement and just bazookaed up. So in theory, like this is chop, but like we're just low, move up high, then move back low, and then move back high up. Like I like chop, but this not this type of chop. I like chop that I could join in and flip my bias. Oh, Michael said you're actually trash about blow mic. Dude, you're too oversized, brother. Why are you blaming me on this? I gotta mute you for the day before you crash out more. I feel like you're not waiting for inversion and rushing trade, in my opinion. Yeah, but that's why I'm only in one contract. So this is a BPR entry, and you scale in if we can get that. Let's say an inversion or any low time frame flip of that matter. Because again, my target is 3 contracts. Dude, signal bots getting cooked. You're pumping affiliate. I mean, do you think I want to be down off these trades? I want to make money off the trades, but this looks so freaking good. I'm pretty sure Desi. That's so weird. Me and Desi are looking at the same thing. I think we're both getting cooked right now. Let me see what he posted. I think. Yeah, he was looking at shorts down here. He was actually playing for the break of these lows, I think. I don't know if there was confirmation though. Maybe there wasn't. Because I can't see the timestamp. But that's what he's going for. Anyways, 1 minute closure gives me room to add into this. Maybe the trade can still work. Maybe the trade can still work. Prove me wrong. Come on. Come on, baby. 1 minute flip. I'm gonna add into this. Need this. Need this close. This is gonna be the game plan here. This is like actually pretty solid ads too, if we can get this. I can't flip my bias again. I can't flip upside just because we are doing that. We did that back and forth. TPT promotion is still on. I don't know if you guys see, I have 1 contract in. I don't have 3 max size in, but I think, you know, I'm prone to having a bad day on stream too. Usually I don't, because you guys have been with me for months and months and we have like a very high hit rate, but sometimes price action is very sloppy. Sometimes I could trade even though sloppy price action, but this trade is for sure. I'm not just being emotional or whatever you guys mentioned. This is actually a really good setup here, in my opinion. That's why I alerted in the Discord too. But just because I feel really good about it, it's not guaranteed. Just like every other trade we take, we've been trading live stream consecutively on a streak for months, and not any of those trades are guaranteed. But just try don't did what I did off stream, which is tilt. Just stick to the process, stick to the plan. If I do get stopped out here, it's gonna be, you're gonna see probably minus 1,000 a day on my live accounts, which is not the best, honestly, just poor, but it's manageable. What is NQ doing? ES is holding really, really good. Probably get stopped here. That'll be another 200 added into the accounts, guys. Not the best, not the best. This is, I think, like 225 probably. It's like a little bit more than 4 points. I'm probably batting out today. Sleepy, you're late to the stream. What I miss? Just me getting a little bit cooked with price action. This is the third trade, guys, but it's only 1 contract per, which, if that helps for any, because if there was 1 solid trade where I could scale into, it would probably make me even again already. This is odd. This is a pretty weird divergence. I should stick to stock shares for this month, for the rest of the month. To be honest, chat. That is so disgusting. How do I get caught up into these barcodes here? All right, we got stopped there. And we got stopped there, chat. That's three losses, with 1 contract each, down about $1,000 off this. Not my best performance. Not my best performance today. But we gotta keep on pushing. And that was disgusting. All right, let me just post this that we got stopped out. As transparent as I want to be, that does suck. You guys are here for transparency, and that's what I'm trying to deliver. Now, the question is, what do we do here? This is so freaking trippy. Because look at this. We have a high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low. It is so back and forth. And it makes me want to smash these lows first. And then when I was bullish here, because we flipped it, I'm like, okay, I'm going to try the long. Guess what happened? Boom. Dumped back down. So unless I have like large stops, which I don't want to do, I'm getting chopped up off this price action. Probably stay on hands. I should have probably did the no trade area, but if you guys want to see, we're not looking the best today. All right, let me just look at chat. I'll answer questions for now, though. Can you explain the consistency rule and Lucid is just 20% on direct funded, like TradeFi? You're full porting. You save the full port for CPI or PPI tomorrow. You literally have PPI tomorrow. At least I took some trades that day. Is that the highlight so far today? I'll make up for it, guys. I'll do a lot of giveaways a day to make up for my bad performance. But then, like, if I do a good performance tomorrow, then there's gonna be less giveaways. That's gonna be how it works here for this week. Dude, if this flips back down, I'm gonna be so annoyed with price action, but you're not gonna see me try to trade it. So I swear to God, if I do, I'm gonna get hurt. I'm gonna get hurt because I'm gonna get him like. Let's go back in. Let's go back in. Let's go back in. But yeah, not looking so good right now, guys. This is where I have my count down 1,000. Now it's like we're in negatives again. I keep on withdrawing these live accounts for TPT. So I had profits like weeks ago. I think we took like 3,000 withdrawals. Now we're down 1,000. Still have more wig room. And TradeFi, I don't know if you guys remember, TradeFi was at 7,500. I brought it back from the dead. At 3,300. So we'll see what we can do here. We'll see if we can survive. This ain't your week. It really isn't. But the best thing I could say is that trade is something I'll take every single moment. Not because like I'm trying to play against trend or with the trend. There should be no trends here. It's just very choppy. Been watching your every day for a year. Your most profitable trades come from a tap into a higher time frame gap followed by inversion breaker, something at least that gives confirmation. I agree. I for sure agree with that. This is also a very typical trade for me though. When I see kind of a manipulation, I see a draw is very important to me, and I see an entry model, which is that BPR. You risk a very light move, so like there are gonna be two ways to retrace. Either takes you out like this top, or we come down, take these lows and slam lower. So to me, this is like a trade that I actually like a lot. BPRs are usually go very golden. But yeah, we'll do some giveaways, guys. Okay, I'll make up for ASAP here. Let's do some giveaways now. What do you guys want here? You guys want direct funded? You want some Lucid test accounts? We could do some direct funded for Lucid too with a promotion. It is odd. I don't like seeing comments where it's like not true, because it kind of gets me the wrong way. Where he's like, oh, you're purposely losing. It's like, do you think I'm purposely losing so I could do whatever? Like, that's so weird to say, because like, what about my streak? I had like literally a 3-month streak. If you look at any of the recordings, maybe not 3 entire months, but it was like very, very impressive streak. Let's see, direct Lucid. Okay, so Lucid direct accounts. How do you guys want to do it? Here, maybe we'll just do it on Discord. Let's do it on Discord. I'll do something even better. I'll do 2 direct fundeds. Just like thumbs up. You got like 3 minutes. Then we're gonna pick. Oh, there's a smart tag too. If you guys want to use a smart tag, I'm gonna try to do the rolls too. It's kind of cool, right? Jeez, man. Pretty difficult day. How should I do this? I want to just like loop it around and then just stop wherever. It's on SPF. Oh, add a giveaway bot. Matcha, do you have time to do it or no? Roll dice in the count. I feel like it's people are gonna mess up the count. It's gonna be disgusting. I mean, if Matcha could do the Discord bot in time, but I don't think we way too many people by then. If we don't take out this high, it's just gonna come back down and be like, wow, this is so freaking choppy today. Is everyone in here? It's just the Discord. If you guys need the Discord, just type in discord.gg/smart. It should be in the description too. I'll give you guys 2:14, 2 more minutes. So we have 200 votes. We're doing 2 direct funded, so which is like about $400. So kind of like 800 just to start off to make up for losses. And what is it? Also, yeah, you have 200 winners, so you have like a 2% chance. Maybe like less than 2% because there's more now. Oh, we're pumping. Well, that means pretty good that we took the trade out, right? But damn, like in the back of my mind, like why couldn't we just long here and just play for upside and just scale in? Why did we have to really do a sharp move down here? I don't know. I really don't know why I did that. That fucked up all my plans. Okay, you guys ready? I'm gonna try to just go as fast as I can, and then we're gonna stop wherever. I'm gonna do one at the top and one at the bottom. Stop. Oh wait, shit. I gotta do this again. All right, I'm gonna just stop, and then we're gonna do 1 to 10. Wait, how many is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? Okay, I'll just number a placement from the top to bottom, wherever we land at. Close your eyes. I'll look away, and I'll just stop right here. I'll do 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Dave Sagan. That's 1. Is that his username? Oh, there it is. We'll do one more here. And wait, am I good? Okay, I'm gonna now I gotta do the bottom. Well, and I'll do like, let's say 5. Wait, this is not the bottom. Shit, let me do this again. Bot added for next time. We'll do the bot after. Okay, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna do, I don't know what local this guy. Those are the 2 winners. I know it's like kind of weird to do this way, but I just want to do it for fun. You did bottom twice, did I? I thought I did top already. We'll do some more giveaways later. We still have 45 minutes. I'm not sure we'll take more trades. This is so bad. I mean, it's still random. Like, it's as random as it could get. But that's just to make up the loss. We're gonna, I think, probably 2 more giveaways at the end of the stream. Matcha said he's gonna add the bot already, so it's ready for the next one. Ay ay ay. All right. Yeah, I just want, how do you claim it? Just make a giveaway ticket. Giveaway ticket in the Discord. But yeah, yesterday we did a lot of giveaways just for Lucid. I'm hoping to do more giveaways just because to make up for the day. Very bad performance today. I mean, we're up on Robinhood only because of Kava coming back up and I'm adding to it, and then the shares that you guys have, like DraftKings down, that's poor. Whoever told me DraftKings, it was up 1 point, now it's down. Uber, whoever said Uber, that was a good one. It was good for a while too. Chipotle, I don't know who said Chipotle. Maybe it was me. Maybe I was doing Kava and Chipotle. This is 50 burritos right there. Wait, did I buy United Healthcare? Oh, this is me buying ages ago. Yeah, 250. I should have bought some though. I really should have bought United Healthcare. It looks really good right now. Hindsight. Do you guys want, since if I'm done with this features, do you guys want to add some more picks? Comment some picks, some stock picks, and I'll buy it. We'll do 20 to 30,000 shares, or not shares, but price. So I think you guys are asking for the trade copter too. Yeah, I guess we can go over that because I'm not sure if I'm taking another trade anytime soon. Sucks. I'm batting out already. But let me show you guys how to do the. So if you want the trade copier, we have it set up already. We're gonna send an email blast probably in the evening time, if not in the morning. We're gonna send in multiple batches. But I said the first 500, but if it gets claimed way too soon, we'll do like maybe a little bit more. It should be right here. Let me know if you guys see it. It should be a button. And yeah, free month that gonna be paid for by Smart Bot Firm. And then if you make 15 purchases, you will pay for it continuously. So dashboard here, and then there's also reward sync down here. It is right above reward sync. Let me know if you guys see that. UNH, yeah, that's my bad. I should have bought UNH. What is USPST? Is that Upstart? All right. Upstart is up 6% a day. I'd want to buy something that already spiked, to be honest, on the first day. What's the next sticker, guys? Dan, or are you talking about the Lucid giveaway, the direct funded? We just did it. We actually just did it. We're gonna do 2 more at the end of the stream though. Bitmine, what the heck is this? This sounds like, is this, it's 7 billion market cap, so it's a real thing then. I thought it was like a bootleg, not bootleg, like a just tiny company. Or are you buying Bitmine? Wait, it was $4 and it went to 135 and that's 6. I hate these type of things. This makes me so nervous. I don't think I could do it. Duolingo? Freaking Brett Zembo load up Duolingo. He made some money there. How's Duolingo? Wait, I thought it pumped. Did it not? Did it pump and then dumped? Oh, it did. I think it did. Chat, are we buying Duolingo? Yes or no? Oh, this is downtrending too. I don't know if I like that either, but yes to Duolingo or no? Type in chat. I'm gonna go with whatever chat says, if no matter what. No. Okay, you guys are saying no. What's the next ticker? I need a ticket that people knows about. What is ASTS? Space Mobile. What is Space Mobile? Not bad. Good spike. It's growing. How's the market cap? I don't want anything under like 1 billion market cap. That's like too volatile. Are we buying Space Mobile, guys? Type in chat. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. A few of you guys are saying yes. Oh, there's some no's now. I need a finisher here. No, okay, there's too many no's now. Let's do Robinhood. What about Robinhood? Is that a good one? This is already Robinhood itself. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Dude, Robinhood's been just skyrocketing. Are we buying Robinhood? Or do we buy Webull? Robinhood is long. All right, let's do 25,000 Robinhood then. And we'll check back tomorrow or next week. Webull. Are we buying Webull? Webull, yes or no? Yes, yes. All right, let's do 25 on Webull. This is up to chat. If you guys make some money, maybe we'll do some giveaways next week. Just exclusively for this. We did 50 already now. Let's get back to the charts. Yeah, so far, kind of not much happening. Did anyone do this yet? For those who want the trade copier for free, did you guys see this? Did it work? We just installed this early today. Let me know if it worked. And yeah, reward sync for Fun and Next is basically nearly complete. Lucid is also nearly complete too. So these two are going to be done. And then we're going to have to work on who else is next. My Fun Features, probably not Take Profit. That's going to be too hard right now. Alpha, yes. Lucid's yes. Funny Tech's yes too. Yeah, we definitely have a few more. I want to get all these lists done by end of the year. So it'll be all in reward sync. The button takes you to the Replicanto? No, it doesn't. It doesn't take you anywhere, should it? Yeah, we're not sending the email yet. It's going to be in a more email blast later tonight. But... oh, this price action has cooked me, guys. Sorry. I want to deliver the best results. Because I hate to be red too, just from multiple losses, but 3 losses in a single day off of this price action was kind of crazy. I definitely could do 2 losses if I ignore the first, or it's probably the middle trade. The first trade I liked, which is a short. The second trade, too preemptive. Third trade I liked a lot more. So it should have been just 2 losses. I did a third one because I was early. Like, that's even with hindsight analysis. I was taking the first and second one, first and third one. But, you know, we're going to, new week, next week, we're going to try to revisit this, try to grow back these accounts. I'm not trying to have a streak. You know, you could have a winning streak, but a losing streak is also something. I don't want to make the losing, if I have a losing streak, it's got to be like a few days at most, but a winning streak, I gotta make it last as long as I can. It's gonna be like weeks. But yeah, I don't. One thing that I would mention is I don't want you guys to be emotional, especially if you're following my trades, because if I'm just like doing one size, I have a bad day, that's 3 losses, but I didn't blow any accounts. I'm down 1,000, which sucks. So like in total, I'm probably down like 20,000. It's not as bad as you think because I have a lot of accounts, and on a regular green day, it'll be like plus 10, plus 20. So we'll make up for it. Need Tory courses. I probably do, man. Probably do. My off stream is gonna start today. Shit. See, I don't mean to do that. But yeah. Saw the link for the trade copier. Is there a link? Or are you talking about the dashboard? Someone asked for the best deals right now. I think the best deal is still Lucid. It's 40% off direct funded. Plus you get the free eval payout. We're gonna do that really good. Take profit is also very good. Take profit, 40% off. No activation fee, 100 eval refund. That's also killer. Funded next, even though 10% off, it's still 25K for $71. These are my top 3 right now. I would add funding ticks if you like funding ticks. 35% off. Deal is also very good. Tradeify, I would probably hold up on Tradeify if you're trying to load up and just wait for the next promotion. Trade day is good if you can handle that. And everything else is just normal. If you want funding next futures, it's 50% off. No fees, no BOGO. This is what Patrick partners with. So we are actually including them in the cash rebate program. Day trade is 9% off. I don't know if you guys like day trades. I'm just focused on the top. I want the best firms for you guys. Are you gonna do AM streams? I might be trying to do AM next week. But yeah, tough, very tough day. I don't like to see it, but why is NQ moving so aggressively? What the heck? NQ is already turning, ES is holding. That's like just so bad of a correlation. Do you not like AM? Have you been busy? I've just been very busy, but I also want to focus on just one session. That's what that's my model. Trade 2 hours a day and just take base hits. This is like a setback day, so I probably gotta get 2 green days, 2 base hits green days to make up for it. But yeah, it's just been tough. It's been tough indeed. But we'll have to push through. I'm short based off of hourly structure. What do you guys think price actions should be looking at right now? Let me check how many people signed up for it already. I think we're doing I don't want to make it urgent, but I'm gonna make an announcement later after the stream to sign up, so you guys get the first pick. We said first 500, but if it runs out early, it's fine. But we're covering the first month for you guys. I think after that it would just be like 2 weeks or something. But it's costly for us, so we're either doing 500 or we're doing the first 1,000. FYI. So everyone in the stream should be able to get in time. If you don't have an account, you don't need to make any purchases to get the free month off. You just got to make an account and then enter your email, and that's it. That's really just it. I feel like this is a long. This is like a long NQ here. All of us full port on buys ASAP. Shit. You're gonna get cooked again. I'm gonna... Part of me thinks, like, how can I be wrong 3 times in a row? But at the same time, there's many times where I'm right 3 times in a row. So it's only fair that I get nerfed one of these days. Yeah, but I need a punishment system. Maybe, you know how we talk about it? If I have a winning trade, it'll be fine, normal. If I have a losing trade, I gotta go somewhere. Let's say like I have like a workout system and I gotta do like a set or something. That'll be more encouraging to like just maybe take a step back before you take the next trade. Maybe we'll try to set that up. So I think that's a good idea. Blue ETF eval I got for free. They banned me for accidentally signing up with 2 emails. God damn, that's aggressive. They want to just delete the firm. How many points lost you take is how many push-ups you gotta do. Oh. Yeah, I would have to do like 50 push-ups, 20 pull-ups. I'd do a lot by now. This would be the most workout day in the entire year. Because you'll never see me take 3 losses like this. In the entire year. Essentially. Can you really do 50 push-ups? I don't think I can do 50 in a row. If you're talking about consecutive, you gotta be like, no, it's 3 losses, so it's gonna be like, let's say 15 points. So I can do 15 in a row. And then the next loss, another 15. Next loss, another 15. That's doable. That's manageable too. Scan the barcode, you paid the price. Oh, why did that sound so good? You had that planned out. You did not just think of that in the spot. He was talking about the barcode price action. I'm pretty sure. You scan the barcode, or you play the barcode, you pay the price or something like that. He had that ready. He's like, this is a perfect time to use it. How do you come back from a day loss limit? Well, my day loss limit, like, are you talking about personal or just the prop firm? Prop firm, I just have at 3,000. My personal should be like, you know, if I'm down like 1,500, that should be out. I'm gonna get into trying to focus on getting back in. That or like 3 losses. 3 losses is where I should just really bad out. So I'm like out right now. I could do evals. I feel like evals is always fair game for me. But other than that, should be nothing. Yeah, maybe I'll just pull up some evals, guys. I have some take profit that renewed, which I can just get for reserves. I think it'd be a good idea. Let me just pull up these evals. I got 10 evals that renewed the other day. I passed already a lot, but I did load up during that sale, which I thought was going to end, but guess what? They're like, nope, we're going to extend it. They kind of pulled an apex right there. They said, gotcha. Do 3 losses in a day, and the rest of the stream, you walk in the treadmill. I'll actually do that, but I have to get things set up because I don't have anything set up right now. It's like very messy. I gotta get the decor ready. I get all the other stuff, and then we're good to go. We'll make it entertaining. All right, what's the play, guys? This is evals here. What is the play here? I need 4,500 profit target. 5 days of past CFTC is a little annoying. 3 days minimum would be better. Yeah, no, I mean, it's not too bad because it's 2-day pass, basically. 50% profit target or consistency. So let's say you did 4,500, you did 4,500, you just micro in and out for the last 3 days. You're not really mad at that, I feel like. We did take the high out. I'm not sure. What are we doing here? Do you remodel the new house? We just remodeled everything here. Not this room though. Maybe I should. Should I remodel it to make it look better and not look like it's in a dungeon? Long and cute. Is this a long for evals? Never trading PM session against so whack. It's not always whack though. There's definitely times where it is whack, which is like not fun, but you know, other times it's very, very chill. Very nice session. Oh wow, it's dumping. What the heck is about to just dump through these highs? I mean, we could play this breaker here on ES. I don't know. What do you guys think? What's the play here? Dude, it's just dumping through the highs. Let me just pull this away so I can look at it. Wow. Wow. Do we play this long here? All right, let's do the eval long. This is evals. I should have played it lower. I was kind of looking at the charts. See, we're getting like 33s. I need 4,500 profit target. Is it late entry? I know it is late. I kind of saw it late. I really did see it so late because I was looking at the chat. How did price just dump so hard? That aggressive. Part of me thinks also like we're gonna just retrace and just fall down too. Google News? What was Google? Oh, Google, like stock. Do I have Google? Oh, yeah, I did do a dump. I don't know why, but I wonder if we just get a nice retrace and it's boop. Should I play based off of bias? Today just you're getting cooked right now. Like I feel like most traders tend to play the breakout and you're like you didn't break out the upside, you didn't break out the downside, and it's just like so back and forth that eventually you're just gonna feel like shit. Like how was AM, by the way? Was AM good? No, this is a pretty good natural price action. Good delivery too. AM is actually pretty decent. It's PM that's dog shit today. PM is just really bad. I'm still taking this on evals. I'm not gonna take any fundeds right now. Maybe I'll add one more here. Or maybe you only trade PM because I had a very good streak on PM until this week. I feel like a very powerful streak, which is like PM is slow, but it's so easy to trade as long as the delivery's there, or as long as you're patient for it. Even with bad delivery, let's up days like this, or you're gonna get hurt. Desi made 1.3k off the short. Did he? How did he just time that? That was like probably very lucky then. Jeez, he made money off that. Must be nice. All right, boys, we're gonna try to pass these evals. We need 4,500 profit target. We keep adding, right? Another one. Let's do this. Missed the fills, but it's okay. All right, got the fill now. This is aggressive, but let's go. Looking for the spike here. Yeah, I might even flip short somewhere here. Gotta make up for it. Okay, we're up a rack. Okay, we took one off. We're gonna slowly scale out because I don't believe too much on this bull run right now. Maybe I'll hold one and I'll just try to figure out where I want to short. Ooh. One more push. If I did like 10 contracts, I would have got really close to passing already. Don't disappoint me now. Don't you disappoint me now. Add more retest. Is that the game plan? Chat, do you guys agree? Watch me either pass or fail these evals. This is so dangerous to add on this. I'll probably have to wait for a deeper drive back. Get a spike. Oh baby, come on, come on, come on. Okay, we're done. We're getting there. We're getting there. Hold or flip shorts higher. Nice 15-minute close. Let me see. I gotta see this. Yeah, it's pretty decent. Not bad. Not the greatest though. Because it would have been better if we wicked this low and closed back above. Still pretty sluggish. Short now. Do we flip or do we stay long or flip? We just stay on one side. This is what we're looking like right now. We're up 1,500-ish from May 14. We need 4,500. Flip. That means you guys want to take some out first. Let me slowly get some out. All right, we gotta do the flip now then. All right, boys. Ladies and gents. Wait, what the heck? Everyone said flip. Now everyone say hold. You guys. All right, we're looking decent so far. Told you long was worth it. I hope you're not the guy who said long here and then it dumped. But appreciate everyone's thoughts. Why get the 150Ks? 150Ks TPT is a must. Why? It's because every account has different prices, but the resets are all $100 resets. So let's say I have these 10 accounts. If I fail them, it's a $100 reset. If I did 25Ks or 50Ks, it's still a $100 reset. So it makes a lot of sense, tremendous sense, just to go for the big accounts. You have a bit more drawdown. The activation fee is already fixed anyways. What do you guys think? Add, hold, or flip again? I want to see if I want to add, to be honest. Flip again. Flip longs here. You guys don't like shorts right now. You guys actually like longs then. Let me also show that this is evals before some of you guys think this is done trading. Now doing TP evals. Is that good? Is that good enough disclaimer, or is actually I want to make this bigger before someone's gonna be like, "What are you doing?" I'll make it also a different color. All right, let's do this. Let's make this a little bit bigger still. All right, there we go. All right, no one should be confused now. We're at 1400. I'm just gonna put this aside. This is not on the screen. Done trading, now doing TPT evals. This is definitely not an ad for me. But I also don't want to flip long here. I want to get a good risk reward. Too early for ads, right? What's the stop for shorts? The stop is when chat tells me to get out the trade. We're a third way there, guys. We need 4,500. Can we get there? I feel like I'll be mentally wise, like if we get a move back above 935s, I'll stop out. Or I'll close the trade. But I feel like this could work for lower still. I think one more wick and close back down. I'm gonna try to add this and just make it play for lower. CPT is 5 days, but 50% consistency. So you get 2 days. If you pass in 2 days, just do micro in and out for the last 3 days. It's very, very easy. All right, we're gonna add another one. We're gonna spice this up. This is what we're looking like. We're not too far. We're still sitting at entry, so we still have good wiggle room. What copy are you using? I'm using the new one. I'm not using Rough Console right now. Zero trader seeing long here. Oh boy. Come on, come on. Let's get to 4,500. We're gonna send the mass email invites tonight, most likely, or tomorrow morning. If you want the free month covered by us, you log in your dashboard and you just just say claim, and that's it. Probably take this here. Maybe we'll just do it tonight, though. I don't know. Wherever is easier. Flip? Do we? No, I can't flip here yet. I would look at longs above 935 if it closed and then play back in. That has to be the play here. So if we get up here, I'm mostly close for, like, you know, we'll be down like $1,000. Still up overall, but then I'll be looking for longs after. Chat, we might be go for another one here. Come on, come on. Let's see. Let's see. It's pumping. It's pumping. I want to wait for the closure to flatten. If you guys want to see the trade so far, it's been kind of messy. We got good buys earlier. All right, I'm gonna do. I know you guys are gonna hate this. I'm gonna do one more ad because I'm playing aggressive. Either this rejects here. Wait, I thought I did two. Okay, I want to get 6 cons. Let me just remove this. It's annoying me now. If we get a closure above 935s, then I'll try to play longs at 930s. So let's see. Trump said, to the moon. It's just stuck here. You guys think this is aggressive on evals? I feel like usually on evals I run like 10 contracts and try to pass them really quickly. I'm being more conservative on stream at least, so we can try to see if we can get multiple trades to pass it. Because evals, I always talk about this, evals are just evals for a reason. You want to pass them as quick as possible. And $100 resets on TPT, you can just reset them and then run them back. You get reserves and you don't have to do evals again. It's stuck here. My average is just poor though. But all right, let's see. Closure in 8 seconds. If we get a closure, I'll close this out. Not looking the greatest. I'm gonna take 2 out, I think. Just so I can have wiggle room. These are new accounts that renewed, so 4,500 is the first target, and then we'll try to pass the next one. Oh, this closure is gonna be getting me out. I should have reduced it by like most size. You guys are right. Honestly, you guys are right on that. I'm gonna close out there. We're just now tiny green up. You guys should have said reverse. That was the right move, I have to say. This is more clear for me now. If it comes back to 930s, I feel like longs are more appropriate. What's the next one here? Why so rush on passing evals? The whole theme of evals are to slow you down. This is my perspective, to slow you down. You try to burn through mental capital, and if you're able to front it, then your priority is funded. That should be where it matters. For evals, you just want to do it really quick. You don't want to waste more than like a few days on it or a week. If you're trying to pass it within 30 days or something like that, the whole month, then it's gonna take a lot of time from you. Where do we long, chat? I'm gonna have to long if we get to 935s again. Is this the log? Chat, is this the freaking log? Why is this so aggressive? All right, we're gonna go for it. Since chat likes longs here, we're gonna see for it. I feel like I can knife through it though. Chat, I'm trusting you guys. Few more seconds. Don't tell me it's a short now. Come on, don't say it now. You should have told me that earlier. How is this? This is a trend line, Tory trend line here. Oh boy, oh boy. Come on, chat. We're almost at break even again. Maybe get one spike and then turn back up. No, guys, are you guys saying short because it's selling now? We gotta trust the process here. You guys said longs here. We said nothing. Oh, are we flipping then? We're still injury. Tell me, chat. We're letting you guys dictate if I passes or not. I feel like longs are good here. No, that was like kind of my game plan. Now people are saying short. Stick to the long. We gotta scale into the long then. Or do another one. All right, we're deeper in this now. Again, these are evals. Let me just do this. Where did it go? Oh. These are just evals, so don't sweat it too much. Are we flipping or are we staying longs? Come on, type a chat, type a chat. We're letting you guys dictate this. Let me type this too. Flip? You guys are saying flip now? No, you guys tell me flip now. Okay, we're gonna flip then. They said flip, we gotta flip. Let's see if we can get a little bit higher then. All right, we'll go for the flip. Whoever said flip, bless up. We need that energy now. Do you guys still like the flip? You still like the short here? Or we looking back up? Oh, if we're done with it, if we fail these evals, that's like, even chat is also wrong on this. Flip back up? Are you guys, why are you guys so flippy floppy? How are you guys flipping back and forth? I can't even see. Longs now, okay. Okay, I mean, now everyone's saying longs. You guys were saying flip earlier. Because I'm done for the day because I sucked ass today. If you guys, I don't know why it's not showing. I sucked ass today, so I'm following chat plays right now for these evals. My bias was higher, but you guys said to flip. Gonna see if we can flip this again then. The most fun stream. Is this fun? Is losing fun? Alright, let's flip this. Let's see. I'm gonna get torched. I feel like I'm gonna get torched on this one. Ay. I would have flipped this now. Whoa, chat. I was up 1400 on my own, and then you guys are telling me to go. Oh, I mean, I did take the loss on the short, but then you guys said to catch the long, and that was a bad one. So this is now your play here. Wait for 5 and decide. The whole chat was saying to flip long. This is the final one. I'm pretty sure this is the final one. We're gonna scale into this too. This is the final trade, guys. It's either stop loss or push these highs, and we'll have to get something aggressive. We don't have much time anymore. How much drawdown left? Honestly, we were up 1400. Now we're down 25. So we only have like 2000 left. It's not that good. But I'm willing to sell. I'd rather reset this and just end the day. So this is the last trade. I should have just long big size here on the way up. I like this longest more. I should have inverse chat, matter of fact. So I'm batting out, but then everything that you guys said here, we did for the most part. It is not looking good. No, we're not flipping. This is the final. This is the last one. Last call here. This is what it looks like right now. We're like 1,500 drawdown left. If it breaks these lows, I think we're cooked. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna do something like this again. This is just because I'm already geeked out playing. But this is like very degenerate, so I wouldn't want this. I'm only trying to do this for evals because like, why not? But I don't want to get to the point where I'm losing on fundeds where I need to do evals and just playing like this. And this is your guys' play right now. It's actually so freaking crazy. Max size is 15 contracts. We'll do a stop order. Let's say like 30s. If we take out this, if we go under these lows, it's pretty much done for. Pretty sure it's done for now. Oh, save them for tomorrow news? No, I would rather reset them because if I save them, the consistency is still there. The only way, I mean, if I do that, it would be like similar back to reset. It's only a $100 reset, which I think is more fair because the resets are so cheap. But I should just pass this on my own, guys. All right, we're gonna do the giveaway now. Guys, these are just evals. We have, I think, 8 evals right now. So we failed this, 800 bucks. That's on my money too, so don't sweat it too much. I'm more concerned that we took 3 losses. All right, we'll do the giveaways and then we're probably gonna wrap this up. Bad day, even when chat is recommend the trades. The only way we save this is a Trump candle. Are we doing this? I don't know how I feel about this. Comment your YouTube username one time, guys. If you guys comment more than once, you're not gonna ever get it. Oh boy, we are gonna get cooked here. That's it. That's it. Good night. Good night. Good night, everybody. Oh, actually, this is funded. If this is funded, I'll be so depressed. This is probably what I was like when I was tilting that day. It's probably like, please pump this. All right, let's pick the two winners. Two winners today is Mushy Mushy and Ian. I don't know how to say his last name. Ian Dufresne. Let me know when I get stopped here. Or blown, matter of fact. There's no stopping this. These are the two winners today. It should be M. I think I cut it off. Alright, so the stream ends when the trade ends. And the trade only ends if we hit our target or we fail. And this is what we're looking like. Unless you guys want to flip. Unless you guys want to flip. Oh boy. I don't know how I feel about this at all. This feels like so trash. How was trading, Adam? Today I sucked. That was like the first day on stream that I actually sucked bad. Giveaway winners are supposed to, if you're Mushy Mushy and Ian, you make a giveaway ticket on Discord and then we'll handle it. Just join the Discord, you'll see it. It's very easy. I don't know if the trades are that bad by you. I feel like the trade was good. Like, I'm still gonna be honest here. Like the trade, I like the trade still. It's just the price action was not good. Like I would still probably take most of the trades I took today, which means like I was still in the game. Oh, we almost break even. Oh my goodness. Thank you for the free loose account yesterday. Dude, I don't even know who got free accounts, but I think I gave like 10 away yesterday. I was reading people's story. Someone's like, I asked them why you should get a free account. And then some people were like, oh, I want to do it because I have a job. I'm like, tell me about your job, blah, blah. And just keeps on going. And I gave like 10 people last night. It's been quite a while doing it. Move TP a little higher. Okay. If you'll say so. But yeah, also, last note, guys, if you guys want the trade copier, you have to make an account. It's free. Smart Prop Firm. And then go down here. There should be a button. I don't know what it looks like because I already did it. But if you do this, your email saved, your queue into the trade copier, and we're paying the free month for you guys. We're gonna do it for the first 500 people. So I'm gonna make an announcement later in the stream. I would recommend you do it before that announcement so you secure your spot. That's it. Can you share the link here? It's smartprofirm.com. You just make an account. It's like, yeah. I guess I could do that though, but let's see. Dude, we might get saved. Yeah, are we good? Are we good? Maybe I'm not doing too bad today. You trust the process. I added too. Oh no. What's our target? Whoa, whoa, what happened? What happened? What just happened? What the heck? My Ninja just, I think, crashed. My Ninja just freaking crashed. Unbelievable, man. Now I'm gonna blame the reason that we failed today, because if this trade fails, it's because that happened. We're still long, by the way. Dude, my Ninja Trader has been buggy. I think I got an update or something. It's been buggy for weeks now. I didn't expect it to do that though. That's crazy. You guys saw that, right? Like that happens all the time, for not all the time, but lately. Ever since I had that connection issue, I feel like it's been bugging like that. Which is bad if I'm in a trade, which I kind of am, but this is eval, so it's not too bad. But if I'm in a funded trade, I'll be annoyed. I'll be really annoyed. Let's connect back though. You sure that your trade copy didn't crash? No, my trade copy is separate. It's a separate program. It's nothing with NinTrader. This is literally a separate program. It's my NinTrader that's been acted up, which I kind of mentioned like weeks ago on stream. I was like asking about lentils here. Just similar. It's like similar to TradeSyncer in a way. It's like it's not within any connections or anything like that. I probably just have to delete NinTrader and re-download it. I haven't done that yet because I thought it fixed on its own. Yeah, it's something in the folders because that's what it said earlier. Before. Alright, we're still in the trade, it looks like. But my shit's loading. I gotta just restart this freaking shit. Alright. Alright, we're in. It's game time. It's game time, baby. We got TPs up. We're looking good. We're looking good. How are we actually looking good, chat? I'm just gonna put some limits in. TP higher would hit. It's fine. I have a lot of contracts. I mean, okay, I'll extend it up though. We're gonna extend it up. We're gonna extend it up. There we go. Where are we at? Where are we at? We're 2.6 right now. Flip. Hold or flip. We're close. We're close. I need to look at charts. Where are we at? Oh, we can get in this 15 jab. Or the hourly. We can definitely push this buy side, right? Looking good. Looking really good here. I just want to slowly scale out, though. Let's see, 54s here. Just need enough to 4,500 and then we'll be good. Trust the process. Was this the right process though? All right, guys, we have to get 4,500. 4,500 or zero, or not zero, like break even is what I mean. So do we add off this? Let's raise that up a little bit. I need to open up the 1 minute chart. I'm gonna add here somewhere. Wait for another opportunity. I'm trying to get out of here. I was trying to see if we forcefully go minus 3,000 to break even, or we make another 1,500. We're too close to the goalposts. Yeah, this is just gonna be dangerous, but we're gonna go for it. We either go break even. If I see we're gonna go break even, I'm gonna just close it out. Higher chance of flip. Everyone said hold. I was like flip or hold. We scaled out a lot though, so we're gonna scale back in here. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is the true test here now. I'm cool with break even though. Except I don't know what happened this trade. Probably because of the ninja trader crash. Let me see. Moving lower. Okay. I'm just hold through this. Now we're halfway. We're back to the halfway point here. I'm about to put probably a stop though. This is probably gonna be where I get to break even. We got really close though. I mean, we did pretty. I'm good if we call it even. Because we went back from the dead and we almost got it to 4,500, but you know, maybe it's not meant to be. I have some more room actually. I forgot I have quite a hefty amount. Wait, this is wrong, isn't it? My ninja is cooked again. Isn't it? Ain't I unrealized red now? Oh no, no, no. Okay, no, it's right, it's right. I don't know what it was. Maybe it is something wrong with my ninja trader for sure. I feel like this is definitely glitching. My average is lower. My average, it should be break even. Like I should be red right now. Unrealized should be red. I need to restart my ninja trader though. Let's see where I'm at. Open Tradeovate. If I do open Tradeovate, what happens is I get logged out with Ninja. I'm pretty sure that's what happens. This is definitely either pre-lagging or something. More than 2 connection, it will log you out. Oh? Oh? Can we do this? I've been in this for too long, guys. I really have. Let me just check on my own. See what happened here. Oh, I know what happened. I know what happened. Okay. I forgot. When I restarted the thing, I didn't input the right leader. I had the wrong leader on. This is what it looked like. I forgot now. Okay. I didn't add on the rest. I didn't have the right lead. The leader was supposed to be down here. So it's just the wrong account. That makes a lot more sense. But we're still in this. This is what it looks like. There we go. Now we have the right thing on. I forgot I didn't save my layout. We still have some space in this one. We probably do want to add to it to see if we finish it off. That's what it looks like right now. Looking decent. And let's just go for the 5 ads. And then we'll close a trade if we get break even. Game plan set. Yeah, I'd probably do that. That should be like, what is that, 1,000? It's at 5 points, like 6 points. Yeah, let's do that. Diplo, this is TBT evals. We were close to passing, but this is going to be where we stop, close to break even, I think. I'll probably just hammer it through PPI. If you guys want to do PPI tomorrow, check out the Discord. We'll get that going. And we're break even. You know what? I'm not mad at that. Or it got close. We did hit 3,000. We did get like 2/3 of the way there, but we were also very close to blowing it. So I'm not too mad if we hit even here. But yeah, if that hits, we'll wrap up the trade for today. And we are even Steven on that, guys. Oh well. I think that's gonna wrap up the stream, guys. Yeah, we were down about 3,000, then we went up 3,000, and I wanted to see if I could rush the trade, force it. It didn't work. So last note, guys, for the trade copier, you go in the Discord, or you go in the smartprofitfirm.com. You just make an account or log in. Everyone should already have an account because we do the cashback. It's really slow, I know, but we're gonna have the new website coming out. Just press the button one time, and then that's it. That's it. And this is the free month reserved for the trade copier, and that's gonna close it up for the stream, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you guys tomorrow. See you guys.